Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday morning. Time change. Peanut Gallery over there just said it too. I don't know about you. I know Robin and I feel the same way. Oh my God. I know it's only an hour, but yeah. Let's just say our day started a little late. We have done our shopping. Everything's put away. Yeah. Robin did the cooking last night, and she did tortellini soup. It was very good. Robin is the soup queen. Yes. Today, I'm doing a simple recipe called Shipwreck Stew. It's just a dump and run. Let me show you. Good old Dutch oven. Ground beef. This is a 93.7. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of beef stock. I'll be using half of this red onion, which I will slice. I'll do actually probably what I call a small slice. Celery, can of dark red kidney beans, a can of whole kernel corn, and a can of petite diced tomatoes. The recipe actually calls to keep all the juices in the cans, and I'm actually going to do that. Baby red potatoes, which I'll cut up into hunks. And the herb and spices were actually left up to me because the recipe doesn't actually call for any, but in the notes it says do whatever. Kind of like that. So I'm using basil, American oregano or Italian oregano, some whole thyme, and a little bit of coriander. And of course some olive oil. It's a simple recipe. Yes. As long as it stays cool out there, I will be doing soups. And I'll find some summer soups. I'll probably bring out the gazpacho, like I did last summer, because by the time summer comes around, I won't be doing all new recipes. We will be repeating stuff I did last year. So, on this Sunday is the Oscars. And my calico is talking to her water bowl. It's normal. Are you watching the Oscars? We're not. I'll find out who wins later. I think I only saw one film out of the whole gambit. So, got plenty to do this week. Got some videos I want to produce for the Young People series. I'm back at it. Actually, I taught my second day of class yesterday, my lighting class. It went a lot of fun. It was a practical day. So the students got some hands-on with the lighting equipment. We had a good time. Yeah, but that's over. So on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.